let's talk about the Kit Club subscription by Archer and Olive. And hello everyone, I'm Naina and I'm here today on behalf of Archer and Olive Ambassador team. And today we'll look inside one of the Kit Club subscriptions and what to expect when you subscribe for this monthly subscription. So let's unpack one of the subscriptions. So it comes in this beautiful clear binder sleeve, which is great for storing everything that comes with your subscription, which is super, I think. So firstly, I'm showing you the washi tape. So in the washi tapes, you'll have 2 designs and you'll get about 2 meters of each design. Next is this very cute tiny storage pocket, and this was something unique for this month, so you'll always have something special in each subscription. Next are these 4 different sticker sheets. I think they are so amazing. I can create all my weeklies using everything from here. And next are these coordinated collage paper, which will go beautifully with everything else which is included in the package. And here we have 8 sheets with 2 of each design. So the Kit Club will open to new subscribers on the 2nd Tuesday of each month, and the kit cannot be combined with any other orders and it's not discount eligible. So something to keep in mind. But if you still like to support me and my work, you can definitely use my affiliate link. And for anything else that you'll buy from Archer and Olive, you can use my discount code TwitcherRights for 10% off. And before we start, I quickly want to mention that you have these 2 free printables, which you can find in the link below. I made it so that you can refer to it every month if you want to do the expanded lettering like I will do today, which I'll show you in a minute. So I will be giving you an example for the cover page, how I use the collage paper and stickers to make a cohesive monthly cover page, which will come together in a few minutes. And also what I love about the Kit Club is everything goes together very well. So you don't really have to think a lot. So just whatever you will use, it will all blend in nicely together. So that's my favorite thing about the Kit Club. So here at the cover page, I just layered some collage paper and added few stickers, and I will finish it with lettering the month. I will be lettering September, but you can hand letter any month that you want, referring to the printable that I shared earlier. So now I'm just putting everything together, and I love how it's looking already. So you can keep things simple or just add more things. And like I said before, the Kit Club subscriptions are so forgiving. Whatever you put together will eventually look nice. And just for this bit, I used a black cardstock and hand letter September on it, just to make the month stand out more. Now you can stop here, it's done, the cover page, but I decided to add few more things. So I used the same black paper and I put the banners on it from the stickers. And on the left side, I'm going to use the very cute storage pocket. And I'm very happy with my cover page and how the whole spread looks. Next, let me also show you how I put together a weekly layout, and everything was made in under 5 minutes. This was so quick. I just used some collage paper, some washi tape at the bottom, and then I'm going to use the days of the week stickers and draw some columns for each day. And we are done with one of our weeklies. And here's another example for a different kind of weekly. I will be using these beautiful stickers. I drew some columns again and I know where each sticker will go, so a little bit of planning goes a long way. But here the shape of the stickers just gave me an idea to draw a column, but also use the space effectively in the journal. I'm just gonna keep them on top of each column, and then I have a lot of space to write down my tasks or my notes. And we are done with another weekly, which was again made in under 5 minutes or so, which was pretty simple. But you will see the whole idea is that it's pretty simple to put everything together when you have it in a kit. So that worked really, really well for me, and I hope it will work well for you too. So the main takeaway for me was having a beautiful theme throughout the month. And the time that it took me to put everything together was so less. And so I highly, highly recommend. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you were inspired and you will create your own beautiful layouts. Have a wonderful day, everyone.